Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to set up Claude Code onto your desktop within 5 minutes. So we start off with this homepage, enter your email. You'll get a sign-in link from your email address. And then you can enter the verification number and enter your details. And now you can choose which plan you want, but for Claude Code specifically, you can see here it's included in the Pro version. So we're going to get the Pro plan at monthly rates. And here you just want to fill in your details. Okay, and now it's offering us 3 different ways of using Claude Code. I'm going to use it for the IDE extension. So we're going to install it in our VS Code. And I'm just going to show you how to install VS Code as well. So Visual Studio download, and let's download it for our Windows. And we can see that it's downloaded. Let's finish, and it will launch VS Code. Okay, and this is, I'm going to choose dark theme. And so once we've downloaded VS Code, we can go back to our Claude Code and install in VS Code. Click on that, click install, and this is fine. I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. And then this will just bring us straight to the extension for VS Code. We're going to install this, trust, publish, and install. And we can see here that it's installed just fine. So now if we want to use Claude Code, we come to the left and you click on Claude AI subscription. We open this and it will look something like this. So we just click authorize. And then we can copy this code back into Claude. And now we're done. So this is Claude in VS Code. And so if we click on new session, we can ask Claude to do something. So when you first download Visual Studio, you're going to want to open a folder to save all your projects in. And now that we've opened this folder, we can actually go to Claude Code, which is this little sparkle thing. And if we open this, we can ask it to create anything we want. So I'm going to ask it to create an HTML website, which will advertise my school community and my YouTube channel. I've given it a very basic prompt, but let's see what it comes up with. And the one extra thing we're going to do is actually, as this is working, we're going to go to our extensions and we're going to install live server. And the reason for this is so that we can actually view the HTML website. So I'll show you when this is done. So it's asking us if it can create a page. So we say yes. And it looks like it is done. So if we actually go here and click open with live server, we should see this is the website that it's created. So this is pretty cool. I gave it a very simple prompt, and if I actually click on it, it does come through to my school community, and likewise, let's see, to my YouTube. So that's really, really cool. And yeah, I've just not given it anything apart from that very basic prompt which you guys saw. And you can see actually this is the, if we bring that here, you can see the code that it's actually created. Hope that was useful. Let me know what else you'd like me to see me do.